Hey traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're going to be diving into expiry trading strategies. All right, we're going to be talking about expiry trading strategies in this video. Okay, it's one of the most precise and powerful techniques you can use in the Forex market. So if you've ever wanted to time your trades perfectly and maximize your entry and exit points, then this video is for you. Okay, we're just going to go over key expiry strategies that can help you to spot opportunities and execute well-timed trades just before contracts expire. Okay, now if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. First things first, let's clarify what expiry trading is. Okay, expiry trading involves trading positions that are set to expire at a specific time. All right, typically based on contracts or options that have an expiration window. Okay, so this strategy leverages the heightened volatility that occurs as the expiry time approaches. You can think of it like a race against time. All right, you're looking to take advantage of price movements just before those contracts expire, which can often create some interesting opportunities for traders. All right, understanding this timing aspect is crucial because the closer we get to expiry, the more sensitive the price action can become. Okay, this is where precision comes in. By understanding how price tends to behave near expiry times, you can craft strategies to make more informed trading decisions. Now, why should you incorporate expiry trading strategies into your trading routine? Okay, now it's basically about timing, right? Timing is everything in the forex market, and expiry trading gives you an edge in catching those high precision moves before a contract expires, right? Markets can become more volatile around expiry because traders and investors are looking to close out positions, hedge their risks, or capitalize on the last minute price swings. All right. Now, this volatility can actually create big opportunities, right? But only if you know how to recognize them. And that's where the right expiry trading strategies come into play. With the right knowledge and tools, you can position yourself to catch those moves and make more calculated trades. Okay. So now let's just quickly talk about key expiry trading strategies you should try for maximum precision. The first is, you have to identify expiry time frames. Okay, the first step is understanding exact expiry time for your contract or options. Okay, now this strategy, it's applicable to contracts or options. All right. But anyway, I'm just gonna be doing explanations and just showing a couple of things right here on the MT4, even though it's not exactly a strategy that is applicable per se to currency pairs, right? Whether it's a daily, higher time frames, basically whether it's a daily chart or weekly chart or even monthly, right? Whether it's either of these expirations, right? Knowing when the expiry window is closing allows you to prepare ahead of time. Now, a lot of traders will start paying closer attention to price action as expiration approaches, which often means increased volatility and better trade setups. Now, after you must have identified your expiry time frame, okay? Once you've identified your expiry time frame, the next thing for you to do is to look for breakout opportunities. All right, you have to look for breakout opportunities. So expiry time frames, they often see breakouts. All right, they often see breakouts. sharp moves where price either shoots up or down as the expiration nears. So assume that we have, we are currently, trading a contract or option, and we notice, the expiration dates drawing near, and you begin to see some, some increase in volatility and all of that, and then you just notice, you know, some volatile movement, begin to see some volatile movements, right? And then of course you would see sharp moves, and then you would see, perhaps you might see some sharp upward swings, or downward swings and all of that, when the expiry window is coming to an end, or rather coming nearer. So to take advantage of this, you can look for breakout setups. Always make use of your support and resistance zones. Okay, identify key levels, all right, on your chart. Identify key levels, okay, key support and resistance levels. Now when the market gets close to expiry, these levels can become more significant, okay, and a breakout in the last moment before expiry can be quite profitable. All right, now the next thing for you to know is use shorter time frames. Okay, it's important. All right, it's important to use shorter time frames, okay, for precision. Now expiry trading actually demands precision, so use shorter time frames like 5 minutes or 15-minute charts. All right, because these can give you better insight into short-term price movements. All right, now these shorter charts allow you to see the market, how the market is reacting in the final hours or minutes before expiry, okay? And they can give you a clearer view of potential breakouts or reversal points, okay? Then next, you have to watch out for volume spikes, okay? It's important to watch for volume spikes. So that is the fourth point, right? To watch for volume spikes, okay? This is an important strategy when expiry trading is paying, okay? It's another important strategy, okay, concerning expiry trading, all right? And it involves paying attention to volume spikes, okay? As the expiry time approaches, the markets can see increased volume as traders make their final moves. So a volume spike often signals that a significant price move is about to happen. Okay, so you can use this to confirm your trade entries, ensuring that the move you're seeing isn't just a temporary dip. All right, so if you have any volume indicator that you can take advantage of, okay, they're going to come in really handy, because it's good to get your ideas about that volatility, that change in volume, your increase in volume and all of that, as the entry period, or rather as the expiry period draws near. Okay, now finally, you should use technical indicators for confirmation. All right, you should use technical indicators for confirmation. It's actually important. Okay, even with the knowledge of expiry, you will still want to use technical indicators to help you confirm your trade decisions. In addition to the volume indicator, which I recommended for checking of volumes, you can also decide to use indicators like the relative strength index, for example. You can actually use a relative strength index. You can also use moving averages, Bollinger Bands, any other indicator of your choice, basically. All right. You can use any other indicator of your choice as well, just for your confirmations, right? Just for your confirmations. Okay. They can all complement your trades, your trade decisions. You can use all of them together to get multiple confirmations before executing your trades. All right. Now, combining these with your expiry timing can actually help you to make more informed and precise trades. And of course, no strategy is complete without risk management. Expiry trading can be highly volatile, and it's important to protect your capital. Make sure to set stop loss orders to limit your risk in case the market moves against you. Also, use proper position sizing so that you are not overexposed to any single trade. The more precise you can be with your timing, the more you'll be able to take advantage of expiry trading without taking on unnecessary risk. Now, to wrap it up, expiry trading strategies are all about timing and precision. By understanding how price behaves near expiry time frames and using key strategies like breakouts, volume analysis, and shorter time frames, you can improve your ability to catch those high impact moves just before expiration. With the right strategies in place, you can capitalize on the opportunities that many traders overlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more trading strategies and tips. Okay, let me know in the comments if you've used expiry trading in your strategy before or if you plan to give it a try. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.